Are you ready to stream your favorite shows and movies on Tubi TV? Connecting Tubi TV to your TV is easy. Just follow these simple steps to start enjoying free, ad-supported content from the comfort of your home. Step 1. Check your TV's compatibility. Before you begin, make sure your TV supports Tubi TV. You can stream on most smart TVs, Android TVs, Apple TVs, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or through casting devices like Chromecast. Step 2. Install the Tubi app for smart TVs or streaming devices. Turn on your TV and open the App Store, Google Play Store, Roku Channel Store, Apple App Store, etc. Search for Tubi in the store. Select the Tubi app from the search results. Click Install or Add to Home. For devices with Chromecast, ensure your mobile device and Chromecast are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the Tubi app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the Tubi app and find the Chromecast icon in the top right corner. Select your Chromecast device to start casting. Step 3. Activate Tubi on your TV. Open the Tubi app on your TV. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. On your phone or computer, visit tubi.tv, activate. Enter the code shown on your TV screen. Sign in with your Tubi account, or create a free account if you don't have one. Once connected, your TV will automatically refresh, and you'll be able to stream your content. Step 4. Start streaming. Now that your Tubi app is activated, you're ready to start watching. Browse through thousands of free movies and TV shows. Simply click on any title to begin streaming instantly. Troubleshooting tips. If you can't find the Tubi app, check if your device's software is up to date. Make sure both your TV and mobile device or computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restart your TV or streaming device if activation doesn't work. Now you're all set to enjoy endless entertainment with Tubi TV on your TV. Happy streaming!